and our Harvest Moon have a wonderful special going on. So I know some people like to prepare for survival and to prepare for the future and everything. So we got a special gift. If you let her know VSAVEDME, you'll get a discount off of her survival pack of seeds. Now you have to contact her for price, but I'm going to show you what they look like, okay? These are the seeds. They're all heirloom seeds. There's 100 that come with this. You can put them in your survival pack. You can use them just for normal gardening, whatever you feel comfortable with. She has a wide variety of not only herbs, she has some microgreen kits, mushroom kits, some herbs, and a variety of things available. If you're interested, I will tag her in the description and you message her. And please don't waste her time trying to talk and just, hey, yeah, it's cool to ask a couple questions, but people got stuff to do. We love you, but we still got stuff to do. I'm not being rude, I'm just being real. If you have some important questions, you can ask her. She's super friendly, but please, serious inquiries only, okay? Discount code VSAVEDME. I'll tag her in the description. Thank you so much, and I love you, but please, serious inquiries only. For real, we love you.